Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame chart that is quite squeezed, a clear indication that soon Bitcoin can start a very massive move, whether to the upside or to the downside. It has been happening previously as well, like it was when it was squeezed here. Then we had a big move to the upside. By the way, before that, the price line dropped down at the support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands and also broke down this basis, the blue line of the Bollinger Band. Before that, it was also happened here as well. After this big drop, it was squeezed and then we had a big move. And in today's video, we will again take a look at this move. You can see that it is again dropped down at the support of this lower bands of the Bollinger Band. And I would also like to show you this super trend indicator that is showing that still we are in bull run. And I would also like to show you the Bill Williams alligator indicators as well that is now turning bearish. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for WIF, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like in this case, I shared this signal on 18th of May 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that Bitcoin is still moving above this super trend. And this super trend is green. Whenever it turns green, by the way, that shows that Bitcoin is in bull run. And whenever it turns red, like previously it had been doing here, then it shows that it is now in a very long-term downtrend. By the way, I'm showing you this super trend on the weekly time frame chart because on a weekly time frame chart, it shows us a very clear indication for the bull runs, whether are we in the bull run or are we in the bearish trend. Right now, you can see that we are still in the bull run. It is showing us because it is green, and now we are very close to hit the support of super trend. At the same time, I would also like to place this Williams alligator indicator. These are basically three moving averages, the 13, this blue one, and this red one is 8, and this green line is the smallest moving average of 5. And this smallest moving average is called lips, this is teeth, and this is jaw of an alligator indicator. And whenever this mouth of the alligator is completely open, like the smallest one should be the above all moving averages, then we had the bigger one, and then we had the longest moving average below all. That shows that this the alligator indicator, the mouth of the alligator is now open, and that is a very strong buying signal, like it was happening here. And then we had a very nice rally. By the way, here it was about to close, but did not close completely. And you can see that we were still moving above this super trend indicator as well. It was not also turned red. Therefore, we need to use a combination of these two indicators. For example, if we will receive a false signal by 1, for example, if the mouth will be completely closed, then we will need to watch out that whether the price line is still moving above the super trend. Is this giving us a sell signal or not? Like it gave us sell signal here, and the Bill Williams alligator indicator was completely closed here. Then you can see that that was a very clear signal that we are about to enter a long-term bearish trend. And you can see that we had a very long-term bear trend, and same as like that, this time we will also need to watch out on these two indicators. Now if we take a look at this Bollinger Bands on this same 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that Bollinger Bands is once again dropped at the support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. And if we take a look at the Bollinger Bands width indicator, then you can see that this blue line is about to hit the support or this green line. And whenever on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see, as I have been telling in my so many previous videos, that whenever the price line moves at the support, the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, but still if this blue line is not hitting this green line, then there is a probability that still we may have some further sideways move here at the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, or we may have a downwards move. So far you can see that this blue line is very close to hit the support, but did not hit the support like it did here. And after hitting the support, if the blue line moves up, then you can see that every time, especially it happens during the bull run, every time the price then follows this blue line. Whenever it moves up here, you can see that it will moved up here. The price then moved up with this blue line, and we had a very nice rally. Before that, it was happened here as well. And now we are about to watch this signal once again. If this blue line will hit the support and starts moving to the upside, then we will keep an eye on this move, because the price can again follow this signal of the blue line of this Bollinger Bands width indicator, and it can start another move to the upside. This time, by the way, first we will need to break out the basis. That will be approximately at $65,000. $64,990, approximately at $65,000. Then the price can hit the support resistance of the Bollinger Band. This time the resistance of the Bollinger Bands will be approximately at $73,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.